Hello everyone. Now in this part of S-block elements, we are going to discuss the general characteristics of compounds of alkali metals. Till now we have discussed the properties of the members of alkali metals, that what type of reactions they show, what type of compounds they form. Now we are going to study the characteristics of the compounds formed by alkali metals. Now till now we have studied that alkali metals are group 1 elements which have one electron in their outermost shell. Because they have just one electron in their outermost shell, so they have the tendency to lose that electron so that they can acquire the nearest noble gas configuration and become stabilized. That is why they are very reactive in nature. Now being reactive, they react with active component of air, that is oxygen, and form oxides. Similarly, they react with water to form hydroxides. Now oxides we have done that three types of oxides are formed by alkali metals: normal oxides, peroxides and superoxides. Out of those three, the normal oxides, they are basic in nature and on dissolving in water they form hydroxides. Sodium, it reacts with oxygen to form sodium oxide. This is the formula with the normal oxide. अगर sodium oxide normal oxide बना रहा है, then the formula will be Na2O. On balancing it, 2, here it is 2, so here it is 4. Now next is on dissolving in water, they form hydroxides. If Na2O is dissolved in water, it will form sodium hydroxide. Oxides are basic in nature and on dissolving in water they form hydroxides, means they are also basic in nature, and as we go down the group the basicity increases. Their peroxides and superoxides on reacting with water. If we are reacting normal oxide, then it is forming hydroxide, but its peroxide and superoxide when react with water along with the formation of the base, they also give rise to hydrogen peroxide, which is oxidizing in nature. Hence they also act as oxidizing agents. Next is metal halides, alkali metal halides. They are formed as, अब पहले तो alkali metal halides बनते कैसे कैसे हैं, what are the different ways by which alkali metal halides get formed. The first is metal oxide react with HX, like Na2O, it reacts with HCl. What it will form? 2 NaCl along with the liberation of water. तो ये क्या बन गया? Metal halide. In the same way, MOX means NaOH. It reacts with HCl to form NaCl plus water. Similarly, metal carbonate, Na2CO3, it reacts with HCl to form NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Coming to metal bicarbonate, NaHCO3, it reacts with HCl to form NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Now in all these cases, the halides they get formed. This is the alkali metal and this is the halogen. So alkali metal halides they get formed by this method, and the metal halides which are formed, they are colorless crystalline solids as well as they are soluble in water except lithium fluoride. अब lithium fluoride क्यों नहीं soluble होता? क्योंकि उसका साइज छोटा होता है और आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी ज्यादा होती है, तो उनमें जो बॉन्ड बनता है वो ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, hence it is not soluble in water. Starting with the next characteristic, that is salts of oxoacids. Before doing this, first of all, what are oxoacids? Oxoacids are those in which acidic proton is present on the hydroxyl group with an oxo group attached to the same acid. For example, H2CO3. Now we know the structure of H2CO3. C is the central atom surrounded with 3 oxygen atoms, and with these 2 oxygen atoms the hydrogen they are attached. So it is H2 CO3. So this is what an oxoacid is, that the acidic proton, the proton which provide acidic character to it, they are present on the hydroxyl group. वो hydroxyl group के साथ attached होगा. Such type of compounds they are known as oxoacids. Now alkali metals they form salts with all the oxoacids like H2CO3 इसके साथ metal react करेगा तो form क्या बना लेगा? H2 metal carbonate M2CO3. In the same way with sulfuric acid, we know that compound formed is Na2SO4. H2CO3 के साथ it forms Na2CO3. So alkali metals form salts with all the oxoacids which are soluble in water और वो पानी में घुल भी जाते हैं and they are thermally stable too. But the carbonates are not stable क्योंकि अगर हम carbonate को heat करें तो on heating they give rise to oxide with the liberation of carbon dioxide gas. Bicarbonates of lithium doesn't exist as solid because lithium is the first element of the group, and this we have studied that the first element show properties different from rest of the group members. Rest all the other bicarbonates on heating they give rise to carbonates with the evolution of carbon dioxide gas and water. For example, NaHCO3 which is also known as baking soda, on heating it give rise to sodium carbonate along with the liberation of carbon dioxide gas and water. This is the reason that it is termed as baking soda because on heating the evolution of carbon dioxide gas takes place. This evolved carbon dioxide causes the bakery products to be raised and make them spongy and fluffy. That is why it is also known as baking soda. So what we are doing here is that bicarbonates of alkali metal group, they on heating give rise to metal carbonates along with the liberation of carbon dioxide and water. So these are the characteristics of the compounds formed by alkali metals. Thank you.